The squeeze is on, facing the cost of living crisis head on. The world feels a bit more expensive these days, doesn't it? Prices are going up on everything. From groceries to gas, it seems like our money just doesn't go as far. This is the reality of the cost of living crisis. It's a global issue impacting millions, but don't despair. There are ways to fight back. We can make smart choices, we can take control of our money. This essay is your guide to navigating these tough times. We'll cover practical tips and tricks. Learn to manage your money better, discover ways to reduce your daily expenses. It's time to tighten our belts and outsmart this crisis together. Remember, you're not alone in this. Millions are facing the same challenges. Let's get started on the path to financial peace of mind. Taming the grocery tiger: smart shopping for your kitchen. Groceries are a major expense for families, but you can lower your grocery bills without sacrificing good nutrition. It starts with planning your meals. Create a weekly menu plan. Base meals around affordable and versatile ingredients. Once you have a plan, make a shopping list and stick to it. Avoid impulse purchases, look for sales and discounts. Consider buying in bulk for staples like rice, beans and oats. Don't be afraid to try generic brands. They are often just as good as name brands, but at a lower cost. And remember, cooking at home is almost always cheaper than eating out. By making smart choices at the grocery store, you'll free up cash in your budget and keep your family fed without breaking the bank. Energy efficiency, lower bills, brighter future. Energy costs can take a big bite out of your budget, but you can reduce your energy consumption and save money. Start by making small changes around your home. Turn off lights when you leave a room. Unplug electronics when not in use. Wash clothes in cold water. These simple habits can make a difference. Consider investing in energy-efficient appliances. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label. They use less energy, which saves you money in the long run. Proper insulation is key. Make sure your home is properly insulated to prevent heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. This can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs. By being mindful of your energy usage, you can lower your utility bills, reduce your carbon footprint, and keep more money in your pocket. Transportation transformation: navigating the road to savings. Transportation costs, especially fuel, can be a major drain on your finances, but there are ways to reduce your reliance on cars and save money. Explore alternative transportation options. Can you walk, bike, or take public transportation for some of your trips? This not only saves money, but is also good for your health and the environment. If you must drive, combine errands to reduce mileage. Carpool with colleagues or friends. Make sure your car is properly maintained to improve fuel efficiency. Consider downsizing to a more fuel-efficient vehicle. Explore options like hybrid or electric cars, which can save you significant money on fuel costs over time. By rethinking your transportation habits, you can reduce your expenses and ease the burden of rising fuel prices. Section 5. Entertainment on a budget: affordable fun for everyone. Entertainment doesn't have to break the bank. There are plenty of ways to have fun and enjoy your leisure time without spending a lot of money. Explore free or low-cost entertainment options in your community. Visit local parks, museums, or art galleries. Attend free concerts or community events. Take advantage of free resources like libraries. Borrow books, movies, and music instead of buying them. Many libraries also offer free classes, workshops, and events. Get creative with your entertainment choices. Host potluck dinners with friends. Have game nights at home. Explore the outdoors and go hiking or biking. By thinking outside the box, you can find affordable ways to relax, have fun, and create lasting memories without overspending. Section 6. The Debt Dilemma: strategies for freedom and control. Debt can be a major source of stress and financial strain, affecting not just your finances, but also your mental and emotional well-being. It's important to get a handle on your debt and develop a plan to pay it off. This can help you regain control over your financial situation. Start by creating a budget to track your income and expenses. A detailed budget can reveal spending patterns and areas where you can save. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending and free up more money to put towards debt repayment. Prioritize your debts based on interest rates and balances. Focus on paying down high-interest debts first, such as credit cards, as they accrue interest quickly. This will save you money in the long run. Consider debt consolidation or balance transfer options to lower interest rates. These options can simplify your payments and reduce the total interest you pay. Explore debt repayment strategies such as the snowball method or the avalanche method. Each has its own benefits and can be tailored to your personal situation. These methods provide a structured approach to paying off debt and staying motivated. Tracking your progress can keep you focused and encouraged. Remember, becoming debt-free takes time and discipline. It's a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. But with a solid plan and commitment, you can achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. Celebrate your milestones along the way to stay motivated. Section 7. Building your financial fortress. The power of saving. Saving money may seem difficult during a cost of living crisis, but it's more important than ever. Every penny saved can make a significant difference in the long run. Even small amounts saved regularly can add up over time. Consistency is key, and the habit of saving can lead to substantial financial growth. Start by setting up a budget and identifying areas where you can cut back on expenses. Look for unnecessary expenditures and find ways to reduce them. Treat savings like a non-negotiable expense. Prioritize it just as you would with your rent or utility bills. Automate your savings by setting up regular transfers to a separate savings account. This ensures that you save consistently without having to think about it. Set financial goals for yourself, both short-term and long-term. These goals can provide direction and purpose for your saving efforts. Having specific goals in mind can help you stay motivated and focused on saving. Whether it's a dream vacation or a new home, goals make saving tangible. Consider opening a high-yield savings account or a certificate of deposit or CD to earn more interest on your savings. These options can maximize your returns. Explore other investment options to grow your wealth over time. Diversifying your investments can provide additional financial security. Remember, saving is not just about having money for a rainy day. It's about being prepared for unexpected expenses and emergencies. It's about building a secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones. A future where you can enjoy peace of mind and financial freedom. To Section 8. Investing in yourself, skills for a stronger financial future. Investing in your education and skills is one of the best ways to improve your financial prospects. In today's job market, adaptability and continuous learning are key. Identify skills that are in demand in your field or industries you're interested in. Consider taking online courses, attending workshops, or pursuing certifications to enhance your skills. Network with professionals in your field. Attend industry events, join online communities, and reach out to people for informational interviews. Networking can open doors to new opportunities. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary or ask for a raise when you've gained new skills or experience. Your value in the job market increases with your knowledge and abilities. By investing in yourself, you're investing in your future earning potential and creating more financial security for yourself and your family. Section 9. Seeking support. You don't have to go it alone. Facing financial challenges can be overwhelming, but remember, you don't have to go it alone. There are resources available to help you navigate these tough times. Reach out to family and friends for support. Talking to someone you trust about your financial concerns can provide emotional support and help you gain a fresh perspective. Seek guidance from financial advisors or credit counselors. These professionals can provide personalized advice, help you create a budget, and explore debt management options. Explore community resources such as financial literacy workshops or support groups. Connecting with others who are facing similar challenges can provide a sense of community and shared learning. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Don't hesitate to reach out for support when you need it. Section 10. A brighter tomorrow, building resilience in uncertain times. The cost of living crisis may present challenges, but it's important to remember that this is a temporary phase. While it may seem overwhelming now, these tough times will pass, and how we respond to them can shape our future. By adopting smart financial habits and building resilience, you can overcome these challenges and emerge stronger. This means being mindful of your spending, finding ways to save, and looking for opportunities to increase your income. Focus on what you can control. This includes your daily expenses, your savings, and your financial goals. You can control your spending, your savings goals, and your commitment to improving your financial literacy. Maintain a positive mindset, set realistic goals, and track your progress regularly. Challenges are opportunities for growth and learning. Each obstacle you face is a chance to develop new skills and strategies. Embrace the opportunity to develop greater financial awareness and make positive changes in your life. Educate yourself about personal finance, seek advice from experts, and stay informed about economic trends. Remember, financial resilience is not about being wealthy. It's about being prepared and adaptable. It's about having the knowledge, skills, and mindset to navigate financial challenges, adapt to changing circumstances, and achieve your financial goals. This means being flexible and open to change. By embracing a proactive and positive approach, you can weather the storm and create a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Plan ahead, stay positive, and keep moving forward.